This morning, we're going to help you prepare and protect your home from these winds.
KSHB 41 News reporter Charlie Keegan has 3 things you can do this morning before you leave that really will make a difference.
Wednesday's winds could be strong enough to move patio furniture like this table and chairs. So the first thing a home inspector told me is to move this stuff into the garage or even inside, at least temporarily.
Anything that can come loose and or get across the patio or the deck, you want to bring inside.
Number 2, check your wooden fence and railings.
Just kind of run your hands.
Just make sure there's no loose pieces that could fly off in a big gust.
These are just nailed on, and these could come disengaged if, in fact, they were loose already, causing potential airborne damage.
Finally, on your way out the door, take a quick picture of your roof. That way, should anything happen in today's winds, you'll know what it looked like before.
After the storm, come out and double check and make sure all your shingles and all of your roof penetrations are sealed so that you don't have any potential leak coming inside.
And we wanted to find out who's responsible if the wind blows a tree onto your neighbor's house, for example. Well, the agents at Twin Lakes Insurance says it kind of depends. If the tree's been alive for years, had no reason to think it would fall over, you're not responsible. If the tree's been dead for years and you neglected cutting it down, well, then you and your insurance company are on the hook to fix your neighbor's house. In Overland Park, I'm Charlie Keegan, KSHB 41 News.